Do you remember when Christmas didn't feel like a day, but like a season? When December felt long, when the lights felt brighter, when sleep was impossible the night before. And now, Christmas still comes, but it arrives quietly, almost politely. Not worse, just different. And it's not because you've changed for the worse. It's because you've grown. When you were younger, Christmas felt magical for one simple reason. You weren't responsible for it. You didn't buy the gifts. You didn't cook the food. You didn't manage expectations. You just received. Time felt slower then. A week felt like forever. Waiting felt exciting, not exhausting. Psychologists call this temporal novelty. When your brain experiences something for the first time, it stretches time. It amplifies emotion. It burns moments deeper into memory. That's why childhood Christmas feels larger than life. It wasn't better. It was new. Then something changes. You grow older. And Christmas moves from the front of your mind to the background. Because now, December isn't about wonder. It's about logistics, schedules, money, travel, family dynamics, unspoken tensions. Your brain is no longer scanning for magic. It's scanning for responsibility. This is called cognitive load. When your mental bandwidth is full, there's less room for awe. So the magic doesn't disappear. It gets crowded out. There's another reason Christmas feels different. You notice more. As a child, you didn't feel absence. You didn't notice who wasn't there. As an adult, you do. You notice the empty chairs, the quieter phones, the people who used to be part of the ritual. Christmas becomes a mirror, not of gifts, but of time. Psychologists call this temporal self-awareness. It's the moment you realize you're standing in the middle of your own timeline. Not at the beginning anymore, but not at the end either. And that awareness changes how everything feels. Here's the part no one tells you. Christmas feeling different isn't loss. It's depth. The excitement of childhood is loud. The meaning of adulthood is quiet. You don't feel less. You feel more at once. More gratitude, more memory, more understanding of time. What you've lost in novelty, you've gained in presence. You're not chasing magic anymore. You're noticing meaning. So maybe Christmas doesn't lose its magic. Maybe it changes its language. As a child, it spoke in excitement. As an adult, it whispers. It asks different questions now. Who do you show up for? What traditions are you keeping alive? What moments are you fully inside of? The magic isn't gone. It just no longer shouts to be seen. If Christmas feels different this year, that doesn't mean something is wrong. It means you're awake to time. And maybe that's the real gift. Not the magic you felt as a child, but the meaning you can finally hold as an adult. Merry Christmas.